Your smile is one of the first things people notice when they see you. It's been said that a healthy and attractive smile can boost confidence and morale. Today, dental correction is becoming more popular than ever, and for good reasons.
The best reason for straightening your teeth is function. You improve your function tremendously by having a better bite, having less problems with attrition and wear on your teeth, which can contribute to a host of all other problems.
Although undesirable cosmetically, spacing gaps between teeth are also a dental concern for increasing the chance of tooth decay. At the same time, when teeth are too tight together, they can become crooked and cause discomfort, difficulty cleaning, and lead to other dental problems.
From my own experience of wearing aligners as an adult and wearing braces as a child, aligners are incredibly more comfortable. The treatment is more comfortable. You can eat what you want. You don't have to worry about food and stuff being stuck in your teeth. And they're just a lot better looking as well.
Metal braces can be painful. They can hinder both your speech and eating and require expensive periodic adjustments in order to properly align and straighten teeth. Today, technology has redesigned the process of teeth correction. Patients are now able to better align their smile with more comfort than ever before.
ClearCorrect aligners have a clear advantage in some respects in that they're invisible and they're removable, so you can remove them and clean your teeth, and also they're a lot more comfortable than metal braces.
ClearCorrect is a clear aligner manufacturer. We were founded back in 2006 by myself, and we had 18 other doctors that we consider founding doctors. Our purpose was to make clear aligner therapy more affordable. And now we're marketed to all orthodontists and general practitioners in the United States.
ClearCorrect's aligners are easy to take out and put in, and were designed to be effortless and non-intrusive so that they can be worn as much as possible.
I really like the aligners. I think they're really easy to use. They're pretty much see-through. The reason I wanted to use them in the first place is because I was a junior in high school and I didn't want to have to wear metal braces, walk around the school. The fitting process basically got a mold in my teeth, then they did some x-ray pictures of my teeth. It only took a day, then after that the trays started coming in and then I just began wearing them. It was easy.
When a patient wants to do ClearCorrect, we bring them in and we do a consult. We sit down and we ask them typically what their goals are, what they would like, and what their options are as far as straightening their teeth. And generally speaking, after we give them the options, we'll take some information about their medical history and take some models on their teeth and some x-rays, and we do a full evaluation. And then we'll submit this to ClearCorrect along with some impressions of their teeth, and we will get back a diagnosis on the computer emailed to us.
ClearCorrect aligners are so clear, they're barely noticeable. With each aligner, the shift in appearance becomes more and more evident as the teeth slowly adjust and align to the targeted smile. Unlike with traditional braces, you can show off your smile while you straighten your teeth into the ideal smile you've always wanted.
Well, one of the great things about clear aligners is the fact that you can move teeth in a slow fashion to get to the finished product that you want without having to use brackets or anything else. So what we basically do is we have an exam with the patient, decide what's the bite that we want to make, how we want them to fit, and then we send the prescription form in. The technicians set up the case just like they would if you send it to a lab to have a denture setup done, get the ideal setup, and then what the aligners basically do is each set fits snugly on the tooth and makes the pressure points to turn it and move the tooth in the position that we want to have the finished product.
In the past, a beautiful smile was a high price to pay. For many, the process of straightening teeth and closing gaps was too expensive to afford. Part of ClearCorrect's purpose is to make clear aligner therapy more affordable and available to a much broader public.
The purpose of ClearCorrect, when it was first founded, was to make clear aligner therapy more affordable. We actually looked into the marketplace and saw what was out there. And we were able to, because of our experience, to look back and see some of the shortcomings and to try to create a product that would address some of those shortcomings. And we were able to do that. We were also able to look into different manufacturing processes so we could bring the price down. and make it more affordable for the doctor. And by making it more affordable for the doctor, he's able to make it more affordable for the consumer, the patient.
For more information on ClearCorrect's custom aligners, please visit www.clearcorrect.com.